second major lifestyle disorder affecting young Indians at this point, none other than hypertension. Yes, we already are at 200 million people suffering from hypertension. So what is hypertension? Commonly referred to as raised blood pressure. It is elevated pressure of the flowing blood against the vessel walls. So this elevated blood pressure or flow across the vessels usually damages your end organs like brain, kidney, heart. The minor vessels may sometimes rupture as well, leading to brain hemorrhage or heart attacks. So how do you prevent this major disorder or its complications? Very simple method which you can carry out right away is diet. Hypertension diet, commonly referred to as DASH diet, is dietary approach to stop hypertension, which is very simple to follow and includes low sodium diet, lean proteins like fish or chicken, avoid red meats, include lot of fruits and salads and green leafy vegetables. Try to cut down your sugar, refined oils, fatty foods and breaky products.